Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make carousel in Flutter. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So first of all, let me show you what we are going to build and then we'll start building that carousel. So here is a carousel that we are going to build, and we are not going to use any packages and we are going to build it from start, so it is fully customizable and you can edit in your project according to the need. So let's build this carousel. So here I am inside the Flutter folder, and let me create a new Flutter project here. So Flutter create Tech 101 carousel. Okay, the Tech 101 carousel Flutter project is created. So let's go to this directory, Tech 101 carousel, and let me open Visual Studio Code in foreign directory. So here you can see our project is ready, and let me run this. And let me show you my mobile device, and let me customize the screen. So that we can view the code as well as the output parallelly. Okay, now I think we are good to go. So first of all, let's clear this code. And let's make a new folder named screens, and let me make a home screen there. And let me import a material package. My code editor is not responding well, so I think I have to wait for a few minutes to let it work. This bulb is not moving from anywhere, and that's error here. Okay, let's make a stateless widget. Let me give it a name, home screen, and let's replace this my home page with home screen. And we have to import this. So if you click on this widget and click on the bulb icon, then it will automatically import. Okay, just click on import library, or you can select this one. So I recommend you to select the second one. Okay, let's build the basic screen. Okay, so here we have a scaffold, a bar, title, text, take 101 carousel, and let's enter this title. And don't forget to add a const keyword here. Now our app is built successfully. So let's restart this app. Okay, so let's change the primary color to indigo. I think the color indigo is far better than the default blue color. So if we look at our carousel, here we have images inside a container. So first of all, let's build that and we will make a carousel. Okay, so I have a list of images in the file named images for carousel. Okay, I will provide these images in the source code. Okay, you can get that from GitHub. And okay, let me make a new folder named datas. And here it is, carousel image.dart, and let me paste it here, and this is a list. Okay, so let's make the container having images. So here we are going to make list of widget. Okay, that container widget, and let's give it a name, carousel items. And we will take images. Actually it's images, right? So let's import images, and we will use the map method to iterate over all the images that we have. Okay, image, okay, see image. Okay, this means carousel image, and let's return a container, and we have to make this a list. Okay, so convert this to a list and add a semicolon here. Now we have to work on this container, so let's wrap this with padding. Okay, and let's give this let's add a image in the side. Okay, image.network, and it is the source is cimage. Okay, now carousel items are ready. So to make this carousel, we are going to use page view. Let's save this and let's make a body. And let's make a column here. And here I'm going to make another container. This child. Actually, we are going to use stack. Okay, so that we can add that indicator also. So we'll put that later. First of all, we are going to make simple carousel and we will add indicators after that. So inside this children, and let's add a page view widget. And children's of page view widget is going to be our carousel items. So carousel items. So let's run this. Okay, we have an error. Horizontal viewport was given on bound height. Okay, so let's keep some height to this container. Okay, height is going to be media query. So we are going to use media query to make height responsive. Media query dot of context dot size dot height and get 0.25. and let's give a width double dot infinity. Okay, let me restart the app again. Okay, here we have our page view widget, and if we slide left and right, then we can see the images. Okay, let me give the feed to this image. As you can see there, the images are not consistent, so feed is going to boxwidth.cover. So let's enter this. So it is not working. Let me restart the app. Okay, now each image occupies the whole space available. So let's give some border radius to the image. Okay, so for that I'm going to wrap this image widget with a widget named clip rect. And here we have a border radius property, and let's give it a border radius of 10. border radius dot circular and 10. So let's restart the app again. Okay, as you can see there, the border radius is also applied. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is make this page view or carousel slide automatically. Now I'm sliding it manually like this. Okay. For that we are going to use timer. Okay. Okay, first of all let me make this widget stateful widget, and here we are going to make a page controller. So final page controller. So this page controller is for that page view widget. Okay, page controller is equals to page controller, and we'll give initial page equals to 0, and we'll make another variable int current page is equals to 0. Okay, so let's assign this page controller to the page view widget. So okay, controller is page controller. Now let me define our init state here. So let me make timer also. Let timer. So we are going to initialize this timer in the init state. So I have added the late keyword here, timer, and we have to import the async to use timer. So let's import that async, and this timer is going to be timer dot periodic, and we have to provide the duration, and let's keep 2 seconds. So each carousel switch every 2 seconds, so you can customize this according to your need. Okay, and let's add a const keyword, and here we have a timer. Okay, here we have this function, and now what we are going to do is we'll check if current page is less than the number of items that we have in carousel, that is the length of this image. Actually this image, the length of these images. So here we have 4. So if it is less than 4, then we will increase the count of current page, and you will see soon, okay, why we are increasing that current page count. Okay, you will understand this after writing the whole code. Okay, so images dot length, we will increase the current page count by 1. Current page is equals to current page plus 1, or you can simply write current page plus plus. Okay, this is going to do same. Okay, else we are going to set current page to 0, and here we are going to use page controller, and we are going to use animate to page method. Okay, actually not this page control, this page controller. Okay, page controller dot animate to page, and the page is going to be current page. Okay, so current page. So our carousel slider slides automatically when our current page count is less than the total number of images, and when uh, the current page count is 4, then it will uh, uh, automatically animate to the first page. Okay, current page equals to 0, as we have said current page is equals to 0, and you can understand this after seeing the change in the carousel. Okay, so just wait, and here we are going to give a duration to switch to another carousel. Okay, another carousel item. So let's give this in milliseconds. Okay, 200 milliseconds, and here we have to provide a corp. So this is going to be corps dot is in. So you can provide this according to your need, or if you want to add different animation, then you can change. Okay, let's add a const keyword here, and let's try to run the code. Okay, as you can see here, now it is automatically scrolling, and when it reaches last page, and it automatically comes to first page and again it starts scrolling. So I hope you have understand that why we are doing this here. So the last thing remaining is we have to add the dots like this. Okay, this red color dots. So let's get those two. Let me make a dot first. Okay, yeah, let me make a widget. Okay, dot. Okay, and if the current page yes, okay, so if we are in the current page, then we are going to add the red color in this dot, otherwise we will make it transparent. Okay, so I'm going to define bool is active parameter. Okay, and okay, I'm going to use circle avatar for this dot. Okay, circle avatar, and give radius of about 4, and background color. Okay, if is active is true, then we are going to give red color. Else we are going to use colors dot transparent. Okay, and let me wrap this with a container. Okay, let's see how this dot look like. So in the after this page view, I'm going to add this dot. Okay, let's provide true. At the top you can see the small red dot there. Let's get some padding. So here is a dot and it seems quite small. So let's give it a radius of about 8. Okay, we'll customize this later. And okay, this dot looks good. So we need, okay, the count of dot is going to be the total number of images present in our carousel. So for that, let me make another list. Okay, list of widget, and let's call this dot list. Okay, and let me make an empty list first. List widget. Okay, let me give it a name list, and W should be capital. And now I'm going to return this list. Okay, return the list, and here I'm going to use a for loop. Okay, for int I is equals to 0, I less than images dot length. Okay, this images is the number of carousel items in our carousel. Images dot length, we're going to increment this I, and let's make another variable name selected index. Okay, so let me add int selected index equals to 0, and we are going to get this selected index from the page view widget, and inside the page view widget we have a on page change method. Okay, and this will provide us page. Okay, we are going to set state and selected index is equals to page. Okay, this provides the current page in the page view. Okay, so if okay, wait, we're going to add this dot we have made to this list. Okay, so list dot add and we'll check here selected index. Okay, selected index is less than, actually if I equals to selected index, we are going to add this dot with parameter argument true. Okay, so dot and provide true, else we are going to add this dot with argument false. Okay, so let's save this. Here let's make a row. Okay, instead of this padding widget I will make a row here, and the children of row is going to be the list of this widget, okay, or dot list. So let me restart the app. Okay, as you can see in the screen, this dot is moving. Okay, so let's position this dot. Okay, currently it is at the top left corner, so let me wrap this with a positioned widget. And let's give it a position from bottom 10. So let's give about 20, and from right 150 must be fine. So instead of this transparent, okay, we can add the border to this dot widget. Okay, so let's add a border here. So let me add some decoration to this container, and the decoration is going to take box decoration, and here we can provide border, and this is going to be border dot all, and let's give it a width of 10. So the border is rectangular, and then we have this black color stuff. So first of all, let me convert this rectangle into a circle. For that we can use border radius. Actually it's inside a box decoration. Border radius dot circular. If we provide this border radius of 50, then it's going to be exactly circular. And let me format this document. Okay, now it is circular, but width 10 is very big, so let's skip this parameter and give it a default value. So this looks fine, but one thing we need is some spacing between these dots. Okay, so we can add padding to this with padding. Okay, edge instead dot all add. Or we can provide edge inserts dot only and left 8.0. There's 4.0. Okay, now they are little bit more closer. and you can customize this according to your need. You can give another color, okay, instead of this transparent, or you can give gray color, instead of the default black color. Okay, so inside this, okay, border property color, colors dot gray. Okay, now I think we have built what I have shown before, so it is nearly same. Okay, you can play with it and try to customize these dots. Okay, I'll provide the customized code in the GitHub. Okay, be sure to check that. And these dots looks quite good. Okay, and the dots that we have made here is little bit bulky. Okay, so let's fix this now, or we can it's quite easy, you guys can fix this, I hope. So guys, how's this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.